Hey everyone, so here is a video of another new garage. So here are the garage doors. These are Clopay garage doors. There are two LiftMaster 8355Ws, one on this door and one on the other door. Here are the wall controls. I'll open the first door. Here we go. Here is the keypad. This keypad is mounted too low. I'll close the door. The door closes too far, I think. Or maybe the arm is not installed correctly. I'll open the second door. That one is quieter than the first door. I'll close it. I'll open the first door again. I'll show the outside of the door. Probably can't see the door well. Maybe I am showing it well. I'll close that door and open the other one. Here is the outside of the first door. I'll close the door and here we go. There you go. That is the video of the LiftMaster 8355Ws on Clopay garage doors. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day.